Okay, if Clarice was charged $209 on a simple interest loan of $1,900 for 2 years, what was the interest rate of her loan? Okay, so as always, the first thing we should do before we think about solving, before we think about choosing the correct formula, let's identify everything that we're given symbolically. So she was charged a dollar amount of $209 on simple interest. So that is the interest amount in dollars. On a simple interest loan of $1,900. Okay, so that's the starting amount of the loan. That's P, the principal amount or the starting amount. For 2 years. Okay, so we have the amount of time is 2 years. What was the interest rate? What was the interest rate? So that means we're looking for lowercase r, the interest rate or the annual interest rate. Okay, so far we only have two formulas. A equals P times 1 plus RT. That's future value for simple interest. And we have a formula for dollar amount. I equals PRT, the dollar amount of simple interest. Okay, so in this problem, we have I, we have P, we have T, and we have an unknown R. So we'll look for the formula that has these four variables, these four letters, I, P, R, T, and that is this one. Okay, so I equals P, R, T. So let's plug in what we know. I is 209. Principal is 1,900. Interest rate, we don't know, that's R, and the time is 2. Okay, well, this is all multiplication, so we could take the two numbers. Let's multiply those to simplify. Okay, so we'll have 209 is equal to, well, 1,900 times 2 is 3,800. And then there's a times R. Okay, so we're trying to solve for R, the interest rate. So we need to get rid of that times 3,800. So let's divide by 3,800 both sides. That way these 3,800s will cancel. And we have R is equal to, well, 209 divided by 3,800. So let's use our calculator for that. Okay, so 209 divided by 3,800. Okay, so 0.055. That's our decimal value for R. Now let's convert that to a percentage. So to convert this decimal to a percent, we'll multiply by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the interest rate is 5.5%.